Hey guys, let's explore this electric whiskey smoker kit. You can give it as a gift. It's a nice gift pack with a 0 to 60-second adjustable timer. You can see like how nicely this smoke is coming. You can control the smoke with a low, mid and high, and have a different flavors as well. Very nice LCD light on the top and then timer, so you can see how much this is going on, and the Nike set. So let's just explore. So first impression, this really comes in a nice gift box set. So this is great. You can easily gift to somebody who is really like or the whiskey lover. Then you have a different the flavors of the wood. That's a whole kit. So the accessories that have the scoop, charging cable and the brush and everything. So these have this little cases, so that have like all different flavors, the wood chips, the charging cable, so you can easily charge that and you can use, so you just don't need the cable. So it's a cocktail bourbon drink smoker infuser kit with the smoke whiskey set with the 6 wood chips flavors. So it's a nice gift. So, of course, like it's have as I mentioned, have a adjustable timer, so no open flame, and you can control the intensity from the top knob, so you have to keep continuous like to use it. And these are the accessories for scooping the wood chips clean and everything. So these are the all the flavors, so you can see the intensities here. You can put in the wood chip and then use this. So it's a very nice design, so no open flame, LED display, intelligent control and nice efficient battery backup. So these are the all wood chips that I'm just showing you very quickly. So this have a nice countdown ring that I will explain, and the smart control which is hand free. So pull out ceramic bunch chamber and the premium AVC plus PC with the USB charging. So let's now have a demo for this. So we are just putting in some whiskey, and we are choosing the apple wood chips. So I'm just putting in. So you can just put small wood chips whatever you want to, and just set the timer in. So the wood chips are hickory, beech, apple, oak, pear and cherry. So you can just set the time, just keep on holding, and then you can set the time on top of it. You can see this colored light, so that goes from low and you can go up to high. So the high means like more time, and the timer will go on for each time. So and then just press, it will start running, timer will be on and you will see the smoke in. So let me put it for some more time, so I will show you some other thing. So see, like I put the timer and the timer is going on. Here you can see, and you can see the smoke is coming in. So it's very cool and very nice thing. Of course, like if you are a whiskey lover, you can do that. You can also do it with the meat, seafood, cocktail or even with the coffee. And this can go to any glass, so you can use that. And this is like once the smoke is done, this shows the 0, it is auto shut off, and you can have that smoky flavor inside your whiskey. So great fun, and of course you can choose whatever the flavor you want, and very nice design and a really nice working one. And once you are done, you can easily just close it, take out this chamber, clean it up and ready for the use. So great fun, great whiskey smoker. And if you are seriously looking for any whiskey smoker, I will recommend you can even try this. Give it a try and see like how this feels, because of all the flavors and things coming up as a whole kit and the nice gift box. and nice working safety features.